In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix black and white display on Samsung. Most likely, this type of display is showing as the color correction feature of the device is turned on and is set to grayscale. Now to fix this, simply navigate to Settings application. In Settings application, locate the section for Accessibility. In Accessibility, choose Vision Enhancements. In Vision Enhancements, this will present you options on how to modify your display, especially in terms of color. Look for the section Color Correction. In Color Correction, check if it is set to grayscale. If yes, simply turn this off. And you have now successfully fixed the black and white display of your phone. And that's about it. That's how to fix black and white display on Samsung. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.